Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're gonna do a New Year's Eve, maybe New Year's Day vlog. It's just me and the dog. We're just gonna stay in. It's a rainy, gloomy day, but as always, I love to make like little appetizer foods for the evening, especially because I'm trying to stay up till midnight, which is a feat in itself when I usually am in bed by like 9 p.m. at the latest. So, but I wanted to get started now because I need to get the stuff in the crock pot. I will link the recipes down below for the bacon wrapped smokies that you do in the crock pot and the cream cheese sausage balls, because I'm gonna cut these recipes way down. I don't need to make that much food for just me. So I will share the recipes down below, but we're gonna start with the ones that need to go in the crock pot. It's basically just bacon. You wrap around cocktail sausages and then you put some brown sugar and paprika on top. So pretty simple. We're gonna see how it goes. I've never made this before. But I just wanted to intro this before we get started, but let's go make some appetizers. All right, so those are gonna stay in the crock pot for 3 hours. The sausage balls I'm not gonna make yet because you basically mix them up and put them right into the oven. So I kind of want them warmer when it's time. I have champagne for midnight and a small chocolate cake because technically midnight is my birthday, New Year's Day. So I don't know if I'll touch the cake tonight or if I'm just gonna save that for tomorrow to enjoy. But you gotta make it special even if it is for yourself. So I'm gonna have chocolate cake. But for now, I think I'm gonna go chill for a little bit, watch a movie. Alright, so I've been watching New Year's Eve. I'm a little bit into it, but I'm gonna stop and start making the cream cheese sausage balls because I'm getting hungry and it's almost 6:30. So let's get these assembled and in the oven, and then I'll start hopefully putting my whole platters together so we can eat. almost 10 o'clock. It's about 9:45. Finished my movie. I think I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos. There's some like resets for the new year that I haven't watched yet. So I think I might just watch some of those and hopefully I'll manage to stay awake. I have a feeling by 11 o'clock I'm probably gonna have to take my contacts out at least because they're already starting to get a little bit dry. But it is hard to stay awake when you're by yourself. Because I feel like I have to just keep entertaining myself and going outside with the dog because it's cooling off and that kind of wakes you up a little bit. But he's kind of a nervous wreck right now anyway because people have been shooting off fireworks for the last, I don't know how many hours. So I had to give him some of his anxiety meds to calm him down. And I wanted to share this because I didn't show it in my reset, but this is how my vision board came out for this year. I'm pleased with how that came out, and I clearly can see the goals and things that I had. And then I just printed this out that I found on Pinterest for that $5,000 savings goal I wanted to do. I like it because it's got various amounts on it. So as I go to save money, I can pick like what's going to work for me in that certain pay period or bonus or whatever it is. And I can highlight it as I go. So hopefully I can get that saved quicker than later is the plan, but I'm also still very focused on my debt. So we're going to stick with that for a while. It's about 11:20. Contacts had to come out and makeup had to come off. Hopefully I got it all. But I'm probably going to watch one more YouTube video and then switch to the New Year's festivities that are on TV. Yeah. But I'll probably wait until about 10 minutes till midnight and get my champagne out. So I'm ready to ring in the new year. Cheers. So I just want to wish everybody a happy new year. I hope it's a healthy and a blessed new year. And I will see you guys in the morning when I get my free Starbucks for my birthday. Happy New Year. It's like 8 a.m. I literally rolled out of bed and got dressed, and we are heading to Starbucks to get my free coffee and breakfast. All right, so I got my breakfast. This coffee's decent. She suggested, I guess, a brown sugar or caramel brown sugar latte. She said it was similar to the caramel brulee. It's close, but not quite. But it'll work for my free coffee. And I haven't taken my phone off of sleep mode just yet. I was waiting till I got back and could read my devotional because I always do that in the morning beforehand. So we are going to go read the devotional. I'm going to go back to the New Morning Mercies because that's the one I have. And I just kind of go back and forth between the two that I do have unless I get something new at some point. So I'm just watching some Hallmark mystery. I'll probably watch that Top Gun movie because I never watched it yesterday. And I just ordered me some chilies from Postmates. I figure it's my birthday. I'm going to treat myself and get something that I really want rather than actually getting up and cooking. I'm not going to lie. I'm like super tired and my nose is acting really weird. I keep sneezing a lot. So I'm just going to lay here and chill out. And he thinks he's going to get some of my cake and he cannot eat this. But I just bought this cute little like $6 chocolate cake from Walmart, I think. And then I have my cold coffee that I made this morning. So I'm going to eat some of this. And then I'm still watching Aurora Tea Garden. All right. I am sorry. I completely stopped vlogging after I ate some of my birthday cake. I just got really sleepy and my nose is still going crazy. I don't know what's going on. But either way, I'm not feeling very great. And I just want to lay here and watch a movie and hopefully fall asleep. So I'm going to wrap this up here. I hope everybody enjoyed seeing what I did for New Year's Eve and a little bit of how I spent my birthday, which really wasn't anything crazy. But as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.